Hi guys, welcome back to Vehicle Diaries. Long time no content. Today we'll be looking at a do-it-yourself tutorial on how to fix your window regulator if it's having problems like mine does. I would not say mental problems, but kind of a glitch. Whenever I try to wind down, it goes down, but to wind up, it wouldn't. It rather go down. Just like to Bugao ask his Daniel C. Let me see you go low, 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 Bugao. See, passenger side goes down fine, comes up fine, but that of the driver's side, whole different story. Now on a normal day, I would have paid someone to look at this, probably an electrician, but because you guys have refused to subscribe, I can't afford to pay an electrician to look at it, so I decided to look at it myself. After much research, I discovered it's probably due to carbon buildup, and if that's the case, we have to open it up and clean it, probably with WD-40 if you can get that around your area, or carburetor cleaner. So you get a flathead screwdriver to pull out that lever so that you could find the screw holding it down and unscrew it. So you might not get a normal screwdriver to do that, so you might need a complete tool set so that you can find a top that fits into that hole. So as I was saying, you guys should please like and subscribe to this video so I can be encouraged to keep bringing more content like this, from do-it-yourself videos to car reviews to probably doing a car project very soon. If I have the funds, probably I have something amazing I intend to do to this car in the long run. Yeah, that's the screw. Keep it somewhere safe and then pull this out, which should be an easy task with two hands. I mean, what isn't an easy task with two hands? Yeah, might look difficult using one hand, but here it's out. So it's time to pull out the wiring harness. Take note of where they are all plugged into, because you want to reverse the situation when you are installing back. So with that done, time to open up this regulator. So that's the first point where it holds up. So pull it up, top cover is up. So time to get the lower part where we could get access to the circuit board. You might need to get a pry tool to pull it open. This is actually the hardest part, because you'll be scared that you're going to break it. After much tugging and prying, yeah, that's done. Now don't make the same mistake I did. You have to open this upside down, so the plastics that are connected to the buttons wouldn't drop off on the surface there. Those red and black plastics should be upside down, but I'll fix that myself later. Now you take off the contact rubbers from the socket, the green and blue. Now the blue is for the driver's side button, while the green is for operating the mirrors. Now you might still want to clean both sides anyway, so you get a cotton bud, cotton clean rag, and spray it with this carbon cleaner or carburetor cleaner. Better still, you might need WD-40, but I couldn't find WD-40, so this is it. And like I said, I haven't had much time. I started this video in the evening, and as you can see, the sun has gone to bed and I'm still up cleaning this, making content for you guys, because you're my people, you understand? So see how dirty that cotton bud is, and this is like the 6th cotton bud thereabout. I went on to clean about 12 cotton buds top to bottom. Nigeria, and yeah, see those pimples on it? Those are the important spots to clean. You also clean these copper contact points on the rubber. On that of the driver side button, it's actually black rubber, not copper looking like that, but you clean those surfaces as well. So you mount them back just the way they were when you remove them. Then I'd advise you test it first by connecting the wiring harness before coupling it back to make sure it's working. That I already know, but it's late, so I'll do everything next in the morning. And here we are. So we start the car, and I've I'm done coupling the regulator back to the door. It's time to see if it works. Of course it works. I mean, it just has to work. Up and down. Just to be sure, up again and down. That's how you fix your door regulator. So please don't forget to like and subscribe so that I can keep bringing more content like this, and I promise you the aspect of doing a complete project on this will be amazing. Take care, guys. Until next time.